Hello guys, welcome to a new kind of classes due to the coronavirus situation. The purpose of this video is to tell you how we are going to continue from here. Okay, we're going to see in this PowerPoint all these changes that affect our program. Okay, we have tried to make these changes as minimal as possible. There are five topics that I need to tell you about. The first one is going to be the schedule and the lessons. Okay, how is going to be our classes now? Well, this classes is going to be like 10, 5 to 10 minutes, like this video more or less. Uh, um, it will be upload in the Blackboard or a link to the Blackboard uh, every day at the hour of the classes. Okay. Well, Kahoot cannot be played as a group, but well, I still making it to help you to practice in, in order to face the final exam. Okay. And well, I want to mention the schedule that is right here in the top, in the right of your screen, because there will be no rest at the prefer. So this last week that we missed our classes will be recovered without any trouble. Okay, let's continue. Essays, quiz questions, and another voluntary paper. Well, as you can imagine, participation now is going to be really hard for me because we cannot have debates or Kahoots in our classes. So, in case you want to improve your final grade, I'm gonna give you some topics at the end of each presentation. I don't know, in the case that you may wanna work about it, okay? If you have any doubt, you already got my email, so just write me. The midterm paper remains as we have said in our last class. Okay, the deadline will be March 26th. Okay, uh, unless you have learning accommodation, that will be the Monday after that weekend. Okay, March 13th. And as you can imagine, group presentation are unbeatable. We can do it. So it's going to be individual presentation. Uh, you must record yourself. I don't know the format. It could be the video or just a presentation with an audio. Uh, a good model could be these online classes, of course, with your personal point of view. And the video cannot be longer than 10 minutes. Okay, that's a fact. Well, finally, we have to talk about the midterm and the final exam. That's going to be more or less the same kind of exam. They're going to be an open book exam. Okay, they will have 25 quiz questions as the one that we have been practiced all this sem. And well, we could choose. You can choose between 2 or 3 essays. Okay, this essays will have some guide questions to well to orientate you. This open book exam are going to be more critical and less well visit in your memorizing facts. Uh, so well, you can have your books or your notes in front of you to help you. Okay. How are we going to do it with the different hours between our countries? Well, I will upload to the Blackboard platform the exam at 11 in the morning here in Seville. Okay. That hour correspond. I put you here in the right part of your screen to 6 in the morning in New York and 3 in the morning with LA. And you will have 24 hours to do it and to send it big, attach it into an email with your minter paper. Okay. Well, unless of course you have learning accommodation that you will have another 20, another 12 hours to do it. And finally, I put you here an example of the exam, okay? For example, you have three topics. Of this one, you have to choose two, and write an essay. One essay with long as a page, and another essay long as another page, okay? And well, answer the 25 short questions. Well, I hope you all well and safe with your families, of with your friends, whenever you feel safe. Well, see you soon.